Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Hamidah. Today our group will be presenting about case study 4. So the name of my group members is Radziah binti Zainuddin, Amni binti Muhammad Lizan, Husnina binti Suhaimi, Nurul Chinta binti Abdullah, shahfikha nadia binti Muhammad zubir, and lastly is me, Radhiah binti Faizal. My ID number is KBJ 2004111074. So the question that we are doing is question 7. The question sounds like, Sarah brought a travel package to Anak Krakatau, Indonesia from Star Travel and Tour. When she arrived at the airport, a volcano erupted unexpectedly and all the resort at Anak Krakatau was destroyed by lava. The Indonesian government prohibits the tourists proceed to the place. Sarah was frustrated. She wished to claim compensation against the travel agent. However, the travel agent said that it was not their fault and they should be discharged from the contract due to the unexpected disaster. Discuss whether Sarah has tried to claim the compensation. Support your answers with provision of law and court case.
Assalamualaikum. My name is shahfikha Nadia binti Muhammad Zubir. My ID number is KBJ 2004108393. First of all, the question that needs to be resolved according to this situation is the discharge, but it's impossible. It is because it is frustration. When something happen which cause one party to be unable and impossibly to continue the agreement in the contract, then the contract is considered and it is like the case of Sarah. The cause is the natural disaster, so Sarah can claim the compensation because the contract is considered end. It is not because the fault of the agency, but it is the problem is from the natural disaster. So the travel agency can give the Sarah the compensation because the contract is end naturally. That's all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Radziah binti Zainuddin and I will talk about step 2 formulation. The test for a flotation contract was defined by Lord Refer in Davis Contractor and LTGB Fareham Urban District Council 1955 AC Seat 96. It settled in law. Flotation occurs wherever the law recognizes that without default or interparty has contractual obligated become incapable of being performed because the circumstances in which performance is calling for work rendered is a thing radically different from that which was undertaken by the contract. Circle to the test is the reference to radically different. The doctrine of flotation is not lightly invoked. When even interrogated the doctrine of flotation has its place, it means that there must be a break in the circumstances which the contract was agreed, and its performance in the new circumstances. That's what needs to be shown the success in the legal flotation claim. In the nutshell, flotation don't protect against imprudent commercial bargain. That one of the downside of freedom of contract.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Husnina binti Suhaimi. My ID number is KBJ20041111 and 2. Next is a legal principle, which is the law would be applied to solve the problem. The law that will be applied to solve the problem is Section 26 Contracts Act 1950, which is an agreement without consideration is void. First thing first, before choosing to vacation, we need to update that be sure to do research about destination you are aiming for. With Sarah's condition, she needs to know about temporary disability, means a condition caused by an occupational accident requiring medical treatment and cause a worker as a result of the disaster not able to temporarily do the work done by him at the time of the disaster. That's all from me, and I would like to pass to next presentation, which is Amni binti Mohd Lizan.
My name is Amni binti Mohd Lizan, and matric KBJ2004111075. Step 4, supporting case. I do not support Sarah to claim the compensation with Star Travel and Tour Company because the company did not state that the package has a claim insurance. The company will also not be responsible because the disaster happened unexpected. The Indonesian government has also issued an order to close tourism activities due to natural disaster in the area. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Chinta binti Abdullah, and my ID number is KBJ2004111078. And I will present about step 5, the application. Based on the story, Star Travel and Tour Company does not provide an insurance for client to be claimed, which is Sarah also accepted without check up is the company provide any insurance before deal. This is not under the Star Travel and Tour Company responsibility to back up any compensation for Sarah.
So the conclusion is, based on the story, Sarah could not claim the compensation she wanted because the situation is natural disaster and happened unexpectedly. Therefore, the consideration is void.